Well, the metal just arrived. And we are getting there. We hope you're enjoying this series. I have to tell you, this is a dream come true for me. I never thought I would own a pole barn so nice. I am so excited. You can really see now the problem that they're having with the wind, just throwing those trusses every which way. Well, this is the end of day 2, and these guys are pretty amazing. Mid to upper 80s last 2 days, and they get about 10-11 hours in today. Got the trusses up, and roof purlings, almost all the purlings are up. And now our town requires, don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but they require that the inner portion of the upright poles be notched to accept the trusses. And that's, according to these guys, that's not something that they normally have to do. You can see we're going to have a 12-inch overhang on the sides. And we still got some site work to do. And looks like the girts still have to go on the east and west ends where the garage doors are going to be. And then be ready for metal. Metal got here today. Really exciting. Cannot wait. Well, day 3 today actually. And moving along. Got the rest of the purlings up. And they started doing a rough grade within the barn itself. We're a lot higher on this side than we are on this side, so you can see he's taking that grade down. They've got to get the bottom pressure treat board on. So we're moving along, getting exciting. 10-foot walls, and at 16 feet at the peak. And as we spoke about in earlier episodes, had to raise the main power line coming into the house. Good thing that we did that, because there still is not much room for clearance. This shed will be going in the next couple weeks. We'll get rid of the cement slab under there and then pour a little approach going into the back side of the barn. So what Casey's trying to do here is to establish the rough grade. And as I mentioned, on the left, which is the east side of the barn, we're quite a bit higher than on the right side, probably about an 8-inch difference. Well, this is after 4 days. You can see they got about half of the metal on the roof. Really odd that right now it looks like gray. That's actually black. That's just the way the sunlight is right now. But they got about half of that done, and all of the purlings are up, and all the fascia board, and all the girts, of course. And so next work day, which will be Monday, they'll be starting on the other half of the tin and working their way down. So we are coming along. Figured I'd park Johnny in there just to get him used to it. Johnny too. And once again, that shed off in the distance there, that's coming out. And the concrete will be going in probably in about 7 days from the time I'm filming this. So we'll keep you informed.